My favorite things about the nursing program, if I could, it's hard to pick one, but I would definitely say the people. Through my classmates, through the patients I've gotten the opportunity to take care of, through my instructors, it's just been nothing but a positive experience, and it really is an environment where we all encourage each other to grow. Entering this program, I never thought that I would be learning so much like I am now. They've been nothing but supportive, and I have been learning so much more than I thought before I previously started this program, and I'm very grateful for that. I'm so excited to keep on going through my nursing journey, and I feel very confident with them teaching me that I will become the best nurse that I could possibly be.